Hello dear Standard 3 students. Today I'm going to start chapter 1 of GK and the title is The Lady with the Magic Pen, J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling is a popular writer and producer of film and TV industry in England. She had born in England on 31st July 1965. J.K. Rowling is the author of the world famous fantasy book series Harry Potter. As a child, she wrote fantasy stories for her younger sister. The plot of the Harry Potter series took shape in her mind during a train journey from Manchester to London. हैरी पॉटर सीरीज़ की जो शेप थी उनके माइंड में कब आई, जब वो एक ट्रेन जर्नी पे थी मैनचेस्टर टू लंदन. ओके. While writing the first Harry Potter book, she lived in poverty and received monetary help from the government. जब वो हैरी पॉटर की फ़र्स्ट बुक लिख रही थी उस टाइम वो बहुत गरीब थी और गवर्नमेंट से उनको फाइनेंशियल हेल्प चाहिए थी. शी ऑल्सो लॉस्ट हर मदर टू एन इलनेस ड्यूरिंग द टाइम. उन्होंने उस टाइम अपनी मदर को भी लॉस्ट कर दिया था किसी बीमारी की वजह से. शी बेस्ड द कैरेक्टर ऑफ हरमियोनी ग्रेगर इन द हैरी पॉटर बुक ऑन हर सेल्फ. उन्होंने एक कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया था हरमोनाई ग्रेगर इन द हैरी पॉटर बुक ऑन हर सेल्फ. वो अपने सेल्फ के ऊपर हरमोनाई ग्रेगर नाम की कैरेक्टर को क्रिएट किया था जो वो खुद थे उस बुक में. Rowling studied languages and literature at the University of Exeter, United Kingdom. उन्होंने अपनी स्टडीज़ लिया था लैंग्वेजेस एंड लिटरेचर में एग्जीटर यूनिवर्सिटी से जो कि यूनाइटेड किंगडम में था. After finishing the Harry Potter series, she wrote several other books. She has received several awards for her writings. The success of her writing career helps Rowling make good money. She donates a large amount of money to charities. She also supports charitable organizations such as Gingerbread and Comic Relief. In 2005, she started her own charitable organization called Lumus. The life of J.K. Rowling inspires us to face tough challenges with courage. Success favors the brave. So here we come to our exercise part. So what was the question? Can you name all the 7 books in the Harry Potter series? Which is your favorite? So in this we have to name all these 7 books. I'm going to write the name of the book. You can copy it from here or I will send you the PDF. So here I have written all the 7 books series of Harry Potter. I will read out loud for you. First book is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Second book is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Third book is Harry Potter and the Prison of Azkaban. Fourth book is Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Fifth book is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. Sixth book is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Seventh book is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows.